Good morning. I'm out here by Lloyd's Lake walking. It's so windy. Do you see the 5 deer over there? I think I scared them. They were having water down there and I'm coming. Oh man, there's a whole bunch over there running. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you guys saw that. They're over there running. See them? And now these other deer are running. Where are they running to? Wow, amazing. So I'm just out here by Lloyd's Lake taking a morning walk. My new work schedule starts today. I'll be working later in the evenings. No more mornings. I have a client that I drive out to in Eastland, and that is, I think it's about 18 miles away outside of the town I live in. I'm zoomed in still. Hold on. Okay, let me zoom out a bit. And did I say good morning? So I haven't been out here walking in quite some time, actually. Usually me and hubby come out here in the evening. Is that a cow over there? See that black? Or is that just a pipe sticking out of the ground? Oh boy. Anyway, oh, and thank you for coming to my channel, Whispers in the Moonlight. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you guys caught it in one of my videos I uploaded yesterday. I think I was in the Navajo Coat Talker Museum, and I said, welcome to Whispers in the Wind. And you know why I was thinking about wind? Because I watched the series Dark Wind all the time. It's like a police crime show filmed out in New Mexico, based on the stories written by Tony Hillerman about the Navajo tribal police. I think I had too much of that on my mind, so I said that it really made me laugh though. I was laughing so hard. So my walking schedule is going to change a little. I might even be walking twice a day now instead of one time. So I have, believe it or not, I have 3 jobs. And one job is based out of Colorado, and they have no work near me. So I haven't picked up a shift with them. The nearest job they have for me is in Cortez. And that's a little too far out for me, 60 miles away. Oh, there's the deer again, guys. You see them? They're coming down. Coming down that hill. Oh my gosh, I didn't clean my lens on my phone. So they're gonna look super blurry. Oh, they want to come down and drink water. I'm gonna turn around, guys, because they're coming down to drink water and I'm disturbing them, I think. I'll go back this way. Okay. So back to my topic. I have 3 jobs. One is based in Colorado, and they hired me when I first moved out here, even though I live in Utah, because I'm right on the border of Utah, Colorado. And I didn't know they had no jobs near me. I was hoping they would have some work in Doves Creek, which is about 20 miles away. And I was hoping they would have work there, but they don't. So I haven't ever picked up a shift with them. And then my other employer was here in Monticello, working with the aging population, which are senior citizens mostly. And let's see, that job was not fulfilling. I'm just gonna leave it at that. And really pointless to stay there. Very pointless. So I am no longer there, and that job took up most of the days, the morning time on weekdays. I felt very unfulfilled there. And then my third job is with a company based here in this location, and that's the job I'm working mostly right now. They've sent me to clients in Blanding mostly, and Blanding is 20 miles away, and I told them that it would be too far for me to go there and work part-time or full-time. So I do like the job. Now this job I really like, because I like working with children. I like working with people of all ages. So those are my clients. And they finally found a client that offers steady hours for me. And it's I think it's 16 to 18 miles. I'm not exactly sure how close it is, but I do get paid for my mileage. So I'll be going there Monday through Saturday in the evenings, and it's part-time, and I'm really happy with that. I really like the client. We have a lot of fun, and I decided over the weekend, that I'm gonna just go with this job that's very, very cool, very satisfying, very uplifting, very positive. And just let go of this one. And I might be getting more hours added to my schedule eventually, which is fine. But right now, I've got a couple hours to do in the evening out in Eastland. I'm happy. I'm really happy about it. So it's going to give me more time to do walking and videos. So that'll be awesome. I don't see the deer. I guess I'll just walk around here. I really don't want to walk around the lake by myself because of wildlife. I'll just stick to the main area here. And that's what happens sometimes when you have a job or two. Sometimes you have to make a decision on which one benefits you most. Sometimes you're spending more time at a job that's very unfulfilling, and you start to notice it. Once you notice it, you'll be like, oh, what am I doing here every day when I could be somewhere else? And financially, will it be okay for me to let go of this unfulfilling job? So I had to ask myself some questions, and taking time away, going on a little trip gave me a different perspective, and I realized that I really need to just stay with this job that I really like doing out in Eastland. So sometimes that happens in life, because out here it's very difficult to find a full-time job, guys. I'm in a very remote location. I'm out in the sticks, literally. Like, look, I'm here in the sticks. I think the full-time jobs are mostly based with the school and hospital. I'm probably working for a county or the court systems, but that's it. Those positions are already taken by the local people that live here, that have grown up here. And the rest of us who move in, we get slim pickings, especially if you were probably not in a professional position before, like me. So I got slim picking on jobs when I arrived here. So I had to take what I can, and was hoping that I can just do one job, but ended up taking 3 at the beginning. So right now I'm still employed with the Colorado company. I currently have just 2 jobs, but the Colorado company has no work nearby. So that's that. Maybe someday they'll have some work available in Doves Creek, and that would be awesome if they do. Then I can pick, do some shifts sometimes out in Doves Creek. But till then, I'll just keep them active. I probably should check in with them soon and just see if anything's come up in Doves Creek yet. I don't know. But yeah. Boy, it's so windy. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm walking back again. I had to turn around because a bunch of deer were down there, and I thought I was disturbing them from getting their water, so I turned around. There are actually a lot of people out here in the mornings. I didn't know that. Excuse me, I just had a big burp. I did have some raisin bran this morning with almond milk and a banana. Oh, and I made my tea and I took off. Oh my gosh. I was going to take my tea with me. I made some lemon balm tea. I love tea. I love herbal teas. I don't mind the caffeine tea either, but I'm more of an herbal tea drinker. And coffee, I don't really drink too much. It's, maybe I drink twice a week at least. Not much at all. I saw people walking on the road coming into the lake. They're just walkers. So I'll walk back this way one more time, and I'll probably just end my video here. But I just wanted you guys to see the deer. That's why I opened my video, and then just let you know about my work. It's so windy here. I don't know why, but in town it's not windy like this. Alright guys, you guys have a wonderful week. May you be showered with blessings each day and night. Talk to you later.